Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a cook with me Thanksgiving. Now, our Thanksgiving up here is in Canada is earlier than yours, but I thought I'd put this out after ours, but before yours. So right now I'm just getting the turkey ready. I'm putting some oil on it so that when it bakes and cooks, it's going to have a crispy outside. I also added a bit of water and now I'm going to put it into my oven to cook. Please don't mind my dirty oven. It definitely needs a good cleaning. I just haven't had a chance to do it, but that is coming up soon as well. Next up, I'm peeling some potatoes because I am going to make mashed potatoes with our turkey. So here I'm just peeling them and then I'm going to rinse them off and put them in a pot. I would also like to bring to your attention my hands and my outfit. Because this was a long weekend and we get some extra time off work, I spent some time painting and putting together our guest bedroom. So that's why there's paint on my hands and I'm wearing my old painting clothes, my shirt and my shorts. Next up here, I am just going to cut some cauliflower because my husband wanted some cooked cauliflower and some cheese sauce. So that is what I'm doing here. My son is not a big fan of cauliflower, so he doesn't eat it. Therefore, I'm going to be making some cooked carrots for him as well. I did make enough for myself to have some and my husband to have some as well. So it just looks like there is a lot of carrots that I'm cooking. I am the only one in my family that really enjoys beets, and I had a craving for beets, so I am making myself some beets for Thanksgiving. Now, I'm not sure how everybody else cooks them. I know I cook them different from my mom. I actually peel them first and then boil them, and I know she boils them first and then peels the skin off. What way do you guys do your cooking of beets? Leave a message in the comments and let me know how you do yours. just mixing some pudding and some other goodness to make a trifle, and I'm going to use this pan and put it in the oven and get it cooked. Along with this delicious trifle, we also had pumpkin pie, of course. Now I'm just going to get the package of gravy together, and I'm going to microwave that. So I'm just mixing it up here nice and good before I throw it in the microwave. Now the gravy is all done, and I'm also going to show you the cheese sauce that I made for our cauliflower, as it is done as well. All of our vegetables and our potatoes are cooking very well on the stove, and everything is smelling so yummy. I did have a package of the biscuits, so I whipped them up as well. And now with some of the leftover cauliflower and celery, I'm going to make myself and my husband and son a vegetable tray to nibble on. Just taking two packages or two containers of sour cream that had just a little bit in each, going to mix them together and use the Epicure lemony dill mix and make myself the dip for the vegetables. Further along I get into this video, the further along that I see how much paint is actually on my shirt. It almost looks like I've got more on my shirt than I did on the actual wall. Nothing fancy here. We are just using the tub that the sour cream came in to mix everything together. I don't need to make an extra dirty dish. It's just my little family. Next, I'm just making the stovetop stuffing. That's what I use for stuffing, and I make it in the microwave, so I'm just getting everything together now. And finally, you'll see the final plate of mine for Thanksgiving. I want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving and happy holidays.